In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chat conversations from Microsoft Teams to ensure you have a backup or record of important discussions. Whether you're looking to store your chats for future reference or need to maintain records for compliance reasons, this guide will lead you through the process with ease and clarity. To begin with, make sure you have Microsoft Teams open on your desktop. This is where you'll locate the chat that you want to export. Once you have Teams up and running, navigate to the specific chat conversation that is relevant to your needs. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation, depending on what you're looking to save. Now, you have a couple of methods available to export your chat. If you have admin access, the most efficient way is through the Microsoft Teams Compliance Center. This tool is designed for more comprehensive exports and is often used for compliance reasons. If you're an admin, log in and head to the Compliance Center within Microsoft Teams. Here, you'll find an option to export chat history. This method ensures all messages are included and properly formatted, especially useful for large volumes of data. If you don't have admin access, you can use the Microsoft 365 export tool, which is another reliable option. Access the tool through your Microsoft 365 account. Follow the prompts to select and export your chat from Teams. This also provides an efficient way of capturing the conversation as it includes the full dialogue, timestamps, and other pertinent details. For those who might not have access to these tools, there's always the trusty manual method. Go to your chat in Microsoft Teams and select the text you wish to export. From here, you can simply copy the text and then paste it into your preferred format. This might be a Word document, a text file, or any other format that suits your organizational needs. While this method is straightforward, keep in mind it can be time-consuming if you're dealing with lengthy conversations. After following one of these methods and successfully exporting your chat, the final step is to save the exported file in a location of your choice. Whether it's on your local drive, an external hard drive, or cloud storage, ensure that it's safely stored and accessible when you need it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exporting chat conversations from Microsoft Teams. This ensures that you have a backup and a record of conversations that are important for your work or personal use. We've explored a variety of methods, catering to different access levels and needs, to help you find the one that best fits your situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.